In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a deleted task in Wrike. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task or realized a bit too late that you still needed something you removed, don't worry. Wrike has a built-in safety net that makes it easy to track down and restore deleted items, including tasks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can quickly recover what you need. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you're on the main interface where you usually see your projects, folders, and tasks. At the top left of the screen, you'll see your profile area. Depending on your Wrike layout and settings, this may appear as your name, your initials in a small circle, or a profile icon. This is what you want to click. Go ahead and click on your profile area in the upper left. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to various account-related options and personal settings. Among these options, you'll find something called the Recycle bin. The Recycle bin is essentially Wrike's trash or deleted items area, where removed tasks, folders, and other items are temporarily stored before they're permanently deleted. Click on Recycle bin in that menu. Once you open it, you'll see a list of items that have been deleted from your workspace. This is where you can browse for the task you're looking for. You can scroll through the list and look at the item names, who deleted them, and when they were deleted, which can help you narrow down the right one if there are many deleted tasks. If you know roughly when the task was deleted, focus on that time period as you scan. If your Wrike setup allows for search or filters inside the recycle bin, you can also use those tools to speed things up and find the exact task more efficiently. Once you've found the deleted task, you can open it to confirm it's the right one. From there, you'll typically see the option to restore or move it back into the appropriate project or folder. Restoring will bring the task back into your active workspace so you can continue working with it as usual. And that's all there is to it. Click your profile area in the upper left, open the recycle bin, locate your deleted task, and restore it if needed.